So we got some fruit chips and thawing out some water. We're gonna put them in the little egg mix, yeah. Got lathered up real good. Oh yeah. You like that? You like that? Alright. And we throw it over here. Boom. Yeah. Sprinkle a little powder on it. There we go. There we go. Now slap it. Slap it like it owes you money. Alright. Flip that. A little more sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You cooking live, Big Daddy C. Alright. She's been ready. Now, set her over in the air fryer. Ooh, look at that. Gonna be burfer. Gonna be fucking burfer, man. It's gonna be burfer. Alright. Grab this meat. Grab that. Don't play with it now. That's weird. Alright, now I'm gonna bring it over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, lather it. Lather it. Not too much. Not too much. Not too much. Now slap it in. I'm gonna sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Snack it. Snack it like it owes you money. You know it. You doing it. You motherfucker. With my money. With my money. Okay, a little sprinkle. A little sprinkle. Gotta get it all. Gotta get it all. Gotta cover it. Gotta cover it good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright. Slap it off in it. Gotta make room. Gotta make sharing is caring. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Even though there's yeah, I guess that's all we have. Alright. We'll grab this. We'll put it in the thingamajiggy. No. Start over. 20 minutes in the air fryer. Hell yeah. Shit gonna be busting.